Stock of the day, thought we'd take a look at Treasury Wine Estates, rising in early trading this morning on the market after China proposed lifting those crippling tariffs on Australian wine imports. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce on Tuesday released an interim draft determination that proposed lifting the tariffs. Treasury Wine noted it was not a final determination. They're still waiting, and they've been waiting, and they've been waiting, and it's subject to change by the ministry. Share price up 0.4% in opening trade, now up 1.5% on the stronger overall market. Henry,
yes.
What does this do for Treasury Wine Estate?
Probably not much for the time being.
Right.
Probably in terms of share price performance, we knew this. I mean, this has been coming since barley was sort of, the tariffs were rolled back on barley. So we've kind of known that this is coming.
Yep.
I guess the question is how quickly they can gear up, because once you shut down a region and they've pushed the wine to other places, that is the question of how they gear up. This was going to be my advent calendar pick for ausbiz back in December. I was Treasury Wine Estates.
So if we look at the 12-month chart, Jared, can we just bring that back quickly? If it had been your advent calendar pick, it would have done all right. Down $10, up 20%.
Yeah, it's up about 18-20%. But a lot of that is because, well, there were two factors. One at the time was that they were undergoing a big capital raise at $10.80 to buy a new vineyard business in the US, Dow Vineyards, which is still yet to sort of feed through. So that weighed on the stock. And there was also, the problems with China, obviously. But now we're starting to see some light at the end of that particular tunnel, and we've also got the vineyards in the US settling down a little bit. It has improved.
So is all that baked into that 20% increase?
I think a lot of, I don't know if all of it is, but I think a lot of it is.
Right.
I think the easy 18 to 20% has been made. When China opens up, there's only so much wine they've got. So it's a question of it goes into China, then it goes from somewhere else. So, it's a question of shuffling and where you can get the highest margins.
There's a bit of a glut of wine though, isn't there?
Well, I'm doing my best, Koshy.
Yeah. I'm doing the patriotic thing too and helping out.
You can only do so much, can't you?
Yeah, exactly. So would you be buying at these levels?
I think I'd wait till the kind of, the froth, let's go into beer rather than wine, but if you just wait till the froth sort of peels away a little bit from this announcement, and maybe wait a week or so and then maybe look at buying it. But I think $14 was my kind of price target. It's $12.50.
Yeah.
There's still
certainly a hold if you're in it.
It's certainly a hold. There's no reason to sell it, but I think they've got an investor day coming up in the Napa Valley, which I'd like to put my hand up now. If Treasury Wine Estates, you're out there. If you're interested,
give them a call.
I'm interested. I'm more than happy to pop over there, do my bit again. So yeah, it's definitely a hold.
Okay, Andrew.
Sorry, Koshy, I'm just looking at your handwriting there. This is sort of the behind the scenes here with ausbiz.
This is shorthand.
I have my little book here, so I can. How's that?
Were you like a doctor in a previous life?
Yes, I should have been,
Anyway, back to more germane things. Look, it's definitely, Treasury Wine is definitely a hold for all the reasons that Henry's just covered off on. And technically it's looking okay because it's bounced back, but to the point before, those easy gains have already been made. So wait for a few days, wait for that sort of excitement to come off the boil. I mean, we've been up 16 of the last 17 weeks for the market. On any market pullback, that's probably the opportunity.
Yeah.
But at these levels, it's certainly not looking compelling. So it is a hold.
All right.